Welcome to Logical Age. Today I'm going to show you how to make tape ball with different color of tapes. So what are you waiting for? I am Jim with you, so let's get started. Here is some balls and some different color of tapes. First of all, I am taping one layer by black color tape. Then I will tape the second layer with red and white color tape. Please watch the full video, you will understand what I am talking about. First of all, you need to round the tape in the center of the ball. When you reach the starting point, then you need to slide the tape in right side for a little bit. And finish the right side line in the middle of the starting point. Then you need to turn left your line, same as the right line, and finish it in the starting point. Now do the same thing every time. Now I'm taping the first layer. After finish that, then I will tape the second layer with two different colors at the same time. Now I'm taping the second layer with red and white tape at the same time. Again, firstly, you need to tape one color line in the middle of the ball. Now the main things you need to do. Take another color of tape and join into the starting point. Now start the first line by sliding the tape in right side for a little bit and finish it in the middle of the starting point. This is the starting point, and this is the middle of the starting point. Then turn left your first line and finish it in the starting point. Now we start the second color of line as the same way. Just you need to slide more from first color of line. When you reach the first tape, then stop it. Now again, start the first color tape line and finish it on the behind of the second tape. Start again second tape and finish it on the behind of the first tape. So that's it. It's too much easy, right? And looking so beautiful. I'm already taped to another ball with different color tape. Which is the best looking? Is that green and yellow? Or black and white? Or red and white? Please comment below right now. Hope you like this video and share this video to your friends and get subscribed our new channel to get awesome creative video. Thanks for visiting us. See you later in the next video.